Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with another Konami Star Trek movie selection model review figurine collection. It says volume 1, but there's only one volume anyway. So, plodding along with these nicely now. Let's have a look at what we got today. This one is the Enterprise B. Yes. Okay, this is one of my favourite models. I love the Excelsior class, and then they expanded it for the Enterprise B a little bit with the extra engines and the extra bits and bats. So inside here we get a dish, engineering section, and a stand. So it's nice to get stuff like this. It's nice to actually have something that you can make a little bit of. Nothing over the top, nothing crazy, and that will still not fit inside there properly. But we'll get the nacelle into there. Looks like there's the pin straight in. Push it in. This type of plastic, it feels a little bit like there's a play on it anyway, so you can get straight in and possibly stretch it. Then it would contract down a little bit anyway, so you can. It would be rock solid when you put it together. Actually, I'm not sure. I think the nacelles on here might be clear. I think, yeah, they've got a slight, unless it's me going completely crazy. So let's get into this a little bit. The stand basically just shows you the NCC 1701B, USS Enterprise, registered. Let's get you in a little bit on the model. So nice little Enterprise font there with a B on the end. Nicely lined up. Again with the Federation ones, no yellow weapons, RCS, but that's fine. Looking really good. Still there's two crystals at the back for the warp drive, impulse, yeah. The original Excelsior there was only one. The bridge was different as well. Actually, I'm not entirely sure if that isn't the original Excelsior bridge. No, it can't be. I'll have to double check the models that are upstairs. So coming to the back, there's the warp nacelles, shuttle bay. See, I was never certain whether or not that was a shuttle bay. Well, let me just go underneath it a second. Around the back, whether or not that is a shuttle bay. Because this glows up blue as it's flying. But just don't know. I'm sure that must be the shuttle bay, because that's obviously a shuttle bay. But cargo bay? That's massive for a cargo bay. But they've never really used as a cargo bay at this time. I think the first one we saw was a cargo bay was the Enterprise D. And they'd have backdated it to the Enterprise C as well, should I say. Not too much detail on the underneath there, but these aren't massively over detailed models anyway. That's on the section of the nacelle there, and getting the pylon as well, the detail underneath there. The rear torpedo launchers. Now, have they got any names? Yes. Both on the inside of both of them, which is good. Yeah, the nacelles actually look like they are clear. There'd be no way in anything to ever put a light inside there, fibre optics or anything. This is just too thinner a ship, too delicate or anything. You would never be able to do that. And I can't see what that actually says. If it does, there's gaps in there. It's just USS. I'll watch on the video later. It looks like it says starring. It's not a starship. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be, and I've only got a 3-inch screen to watch what I'm filming in. So it's a nice little ship, this one. I do like the starships, the Excelsior class. Shame we never saw any more variants. I'm sure there were. I know there's a Centaur class that Eagle Moss did. A little bit shaky there. That Eagle Moss did a Centaur, which was basically this with a roll bar underneath from the Reliant and then a couple of nacelles, and it looked quite interesting. Yeah, it's a very nice ship. The really weird parts that they added on. They kind of look like, remind me of Centurions with the extra fins on the top of there, where they actually added on parts onto the Excelsior model. Extra bit over the back of here as well. And then silly, massive impulse engines, even though they've still got the original impulse engines there as well. And then this extra deck which jutted out. All I can think is that, yes, we're going to do this model, which makes it look like it's bottom heavy. I mean, it used to look elegant with a rounded bottom, but then this come out here. They must have said, right, you can use the Excelsior model for the Enterprise B for Generations, but you're not damaging it. And then we've gone, well, we want to do this scene, we're going to blow it up. And they've gone, right, you make an extra section and then you can destroy that bit. So all I can think that they had that extra part on bottom for, because it does nothing for me whatsoever. So my best view of this ship is up here. Yay, there we go. Lovely view. There's still a little bit of pearlescent sort of colouring on these. There's no dumbed down grey, white or whatever, but it does kind of shine and shimmer. Very kind of oddball, but nice. Nice enough model anyway. Captain Araban's ship, obviously. We only saw her once on screen. We saw the Lakota on screen on Deep Space Nine, which was nice to actually see more of this model. I think they were part of battle scenes as well in the background when they started doing CGI. Let me get you inside the section in here. Let's have a look and figure out what this is, if it is a cargo bay or whether or not it's a internal part or a special Corbomite device. Just extra window space. It's like having a cruise ship and you've got an outside cabin but you're overlooking the rear of the ship where the big pool is or something. Possible. I don't know. It's a very nice ship. Very nice Enterprise. Kind of the level that we would have liked to have seen more. And you never know, it could happen. They could fill in the blanks with the Star Trek lore in the future. Who's to say that in 50 years' time that the new voyage of the Enterprise isn't the Enterprise B? They already come out with the idea beforehand that they might have done something like this. They all said they're not going to do it again. So, Enterprise B from Konami. With that in mind, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment below, follow social media, consider helping out the channel if you'd like. There's all the links in the description below. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.